Hi everyone, Amy Jam here. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click subscribe for more of my videos. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to manage your money so you can have your money work for you. Your first employee being your money. Now I know everybody talks about paying yourself first, investing in 401ks, Roth, IRAs. I've done all that. However, I'm going to tell you none of that worked for me. What worked for me is this formula here. This formula that I'm going to share with you all will take about 1 year and will provide you with the means for having a savings, an ongoing savings, without you actually taking any funds from your income after a year. So what is this great formula? It's actually super easy. I want you to save like you never saved before for 1 full year. And that means from your paychecks, elect to have a certain amount direct deposited to a savings account every check for 1 year. After a year, I want you to take that money and buy your first property. After you buy your first property, and by the way, for instructions and information on how to do that, I have a video on how to buy your first home. Don't forget to check that out. After you buy your property, you're going to rent it out. Do your market research. Get the best possible rental amount and get a reliable tenant in the door. The rental amount should at minimum cover your mortgage and provide you with additional money every month to put away. By having your tenant pay you rent, they are essentially paying your mortgage for you, and the money saved over goes straight into your savings account. So essentially what you have here is your property being paid for. So you have your property for free, you have a savings that's accruing, and make sure you put that money in a compound interest bearing account. That way you get highest benefit from your deposits every month. Not only that, but every year the interest on your loan is tax deductible, so that impacts your tax refund and most likely will increase it. I want you to take that refund and put it into your compound interest earning account. And lastly, as the years go by, as this property is being paid for by your tenant, your property is going up in value. The value is actually equity. Equity equals cash. So you can do many things. You can go back to your bank and ask for a line of credit to maybe build an addition on the house using the funds from the actual house. If the interest rates are lower, I encourage you to refinance. And if you want some cash to maybe purchase another property, go ahead and do a cash out refinance with the best possible interest rate and use that money to buy your next investment property and follow the same formula on that property. Not only will you have 2 sources of equity, but you will also have an ongoing savings account being built and having compounded interest on by someone else. Essentially, your money is now working for you. Meanwhile, you have your job, your 9 to 5, and your paychecks coming in. With those, you can live your best life, you can travel, you can also add to your savings account, do charitable things, donate, tithe, do things that actually matter to you, and live life. Don't live to work. Work to live. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. Leave me some comments. I'm happy to provide you with additional context, information, and resources. Have a blessed day.